Hey guys, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to the channel. To all of our new subscribers, hey, how y'all doing? Thank you so much. There's a few of you that I've met in a few of the Facebook groups. Thanks so much for coming over and subscribing. My name is Rhonda Davis. I will be uploading one vegan recipe every week. So if you're interested in becoming vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, alkaline dishes, if you're interested in those things, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that once the recipes are posted, you'll be the first to know. Today I am doing a chickpeas sandwich. I've done this sandwich so many times, and I keep seeing people post chickpea sandwich, and I'm just a little fed up with the tired looking chickpea sandwiches I'm seeing online. So I'm just like, doggone it, let me make a good chickpea sandwich and show my people, so that if they decide to post a chickpea sandwich, it's gonna be a dope chickpea sandwich. What y'all say, right? Yes, that's right, right. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make a dope chickpea sandwich. A little unconventional, but you know, the taste is there, the texture is there, and I mean, it's just like totally awesome. So don't forget, if you are new, if you're watching me and you haven't subscribed, I know you've been watching, it's time for you to subscribe. You gotta commit. Let me know that you're interested. Let me know that you're feeling the vibes. You want to just hang out with me a little longer. So click that subscribe notification. Don't forget, like, comment, or share. Help me by doing one of the three. And if you do two, I love you even more. And if you don't, that's okay. I still love you either way. Thanks so much for your support, and let's get to the recipe. All right, guys, here we go. So I'm not using canned chickpeas. I actually made my own chickpea. I just kind of boil it, drain it, zap it a little bit because I want it to be chunky and not like the whole chickpeas. I'm using vegan mayonnaise. Okay. This is what's going to give it that little creaminess that I'm looking for. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give that a good stir. All right, see, this is what it looks like. So this is just plain chickpea, just zapped a little bit in the food processor. I didn't want it to be like the whole chickpeas. I just wanted to have, like, you know, want it to be chunks. All right, go ahead and mix that in thoroughly. I am adding cilantro. Like I told you guys, this is going to be a dope tasting chickpea. Okay, so we're taking it up a lot of notches. Now this is purple onions as well as purple cabbage. Okay, so I diced up the onions and the cabbage. Now I have green onions. I'm just going to use a little bit of the green onions. But if you're a green onion type person, then put a lot of it in there. So I have sweet peppers, but I have them in 3 different colors because you guys know I love colors in my food. Okay. I am using sundry tomatoes. So these come in like big chunks, and I went ahead and diced them really, really tiny. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. See, colors. Like, that's already setting your chickpea apart from some of the chickpeas I'm seeing on the internet. Like, this is already setting, like, this is like higher level. Okay. We're just having fun. Okay. This is like higher level chickpea sandwich going on here, right? All right, so go ahead and really mix it in well. All right, so that's looking good. Give it a really good mix. All right, so I have a combination of spices in here, and I'm just gonna leave them in the notes at the bottom what spices I'm using, because there's quite a few spices. So in the comments, check in the comments below, and you'll see exactly which spices I'm using in here. So instead of putting them in individually, I just kind of put them all together and create like a little spice blend. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more. That's one of the things about me being from the Caribbean or the West Indies. I tend not to, I don't do a lot of measuring. I measure, but most of the times I'm just kind of eyeballing, and it comes out perfect all the time. I mean, in the West Indies, that's what we do. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a pinch of that, and a splash of that. and it comes out perfect. All right, so if you want to taste it, this is a proper way to taste it. You put it in your hands like that. Make sure your hands, the spoon doesn't touch your hands. You can go ahead and give it a taste that way. I feel like I need some more spices to take it up a notch. Now, if you're in a commercial kitchen, you will grab a separate spoon. You will taste it, and then you will put that spoon into the sink. Okay, but being that I'm home and I'm making this particular chickpea sandwich for myself, but I'm just showing you guys that if, you know, in the event that, you know, you're cooking and you have guests coming over, this is the okay way of testing to make sure you're good. All right, so that's all right. That's not bad. It tastes good. I'm still going to put the rest of my spices in because, like I said, it's got to be dope. One of the things that people complain a lot about with vegan and plant-based is that the food is bland. I don't do bland, and you guys shouldn't either. That's one of the things you got to remember now that you're doing plant-based. You have to use extra spices, more spices, and different variations of different spices. Keep tasting your food as you go along. Just keep tasting. And if you need anything, if you need more spices, then you would add more. Just keep tasting. It's easier to add more than to take out after you put too much in. All right, so this is what it looks like. Colorful. Looks really attractive, appetizing already, like you feel like you want to eat it. So I am using this rye melba thin. So it's rye bread, Jewish rye bread. That's what I'm using. I toasted it, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some more vegan mayonnaise on it. Now, you're probably wondering why I have 3 slices. Well, 2 slices will be for my sandwich, and the third one, I'm going to use it as a catcher. So, I am fitting to make a real big sandwich, okay, y'all? So, I know that there's going to be extra stuff falling out of it. So what I'm going to do is use the third one as my catcher. So it's going to be at the bottom layer after I cut it in half. That one is going to be at the bottom layer. So when the stuff actually falls out of the sandwich, I'm going to catch it on that bottom layer, all right? Yeah, y'all know what I'm saying. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use vegan Gouda cheese. I love this cheese, guys. It is so amazing. The flavor tastes really good. It tastes almost like the other, you know, the real Gouda type cheese, but this is really good. So I'll put the name at the bottom. All right, I'm starting with I'm adding tomatoes to it because you have to have tomatoes in a really good chickpea sandwich. Like, if it's going to be a dope sandwich, like, you got to dress this sandwich up real well. All right, so I'm putting 4 slices of tomato, but of course, it's your preference. You may only want 1 or 2, but this is how I make my chickpea sandwich. I get all excited, y'all. I get real excited, and I start making it real big. Because you know what? When I'm making my chickpea sandwich, I feel like I'm in Texas. If I'm not going to do it big, then I need to just keep looking at the ones on the internet then. So since I'm going to do it real big, I just have fun. I'm putting avocado. I have ripe avocado. Now, the way how you put your sandwich together is your preference, okay? Because some people would have put the avocado, like, you know, on the bread. That's your preference. If you want to do that, that's fine. That's your business. If that's what's going to work for you, that's all right. But this is my business. So fix it up the way how you want it, honey. That's your business. So go ahead and put the avocado on. And you also can decide just how much avocado you want to. I want to put a lot of avocado because, like I said, it's going to be a dope sandwich. Every time I make these sandwiches, my daughters be, Mom, you making those sandwiches again? I'm like, yeah, that's what I feel for. You know, I'm feeling like a Texas style dope sandwich, and that's how I make my sandwiches. All right, so I'm going to use an entire avocado. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, yes. All right, so I'm going to add some more on here. Guys, don't worry about if stuff start to fall off. Remember, we have that extra slice of bread. That's going to be the catcher. So you're not going to lose anything, okay? So make it big. All right, I'm going to go ahead and fix it on really well so that it stays on there. All right, that's looking good. All right, let's go ahead and put our chickpea on there. Remember, this is a chickpea sandwich, so this is the star of the show. So you want to put as much chickpea as you can get on there, on your sandwich. Yes, 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 yes. I know. I feel you. I feel you. Y'all feel me, right? Yes. That's it. That's it. That's it. I think we need a little bit more. Hey. Yes. Yes. I can't wait for you guys to take some to make your chickpea sandwich, and tag me in the groups or tag me on Instagram at Rad Events. All right, so I'm using English cucumbers. I just like, that's one of my go-to whenever I'm doing sandwiches. I have to have English cucumbers. I just love them. The taste is just so refreshing, and I love it. It's a nice, mellow, crispy taste. I'm bringing some crispiness to the sandwich. All right, ladies. So I'm going to go on and add these. I always forget the name of it. I'll put it in the comments. It's like a little Brussels.
Stop it.
Almost like
Get some help.
but not quite. I'll put the name in the comment. All right, let me make sure I got this on the right side. All right, all right, all right. Hold on. Let me move this sandwich over so y'all can see it. Hold on. All right. So can you guys see her right there? Yes, let the church say yes. Woohoo! Yes, yes, yes. All right, let me move the camera back. All right, that's looking good. All right, hold on. I'm going to go get my knife. All right, so this part for me, it's as much as I love making my sandwiches bold and big, sometimes I have a hard time cutting it, but that's okay. I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna cut it anyways. All right. Should I cut it? Comment below. Should I cut it off camera? Or should I just cut it and then come back on camera? What y'all think I'm gonna do? I said we cut it off camera. On camera? Nah. All right, I'm gonna turn it off and come back. All right, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on camera. All right, guys. So do your best to go ahead and cut it. My knife is not the sharpest, but do your best to go ahead and cut it. Yes. Yes. All right, this takes some skills. All right, so go ahead and give it a good cut. All right, guys. So I enjoy this chickpea so much. I think I'm going to make some tomorrow. All right, so when you cut it, so you notice a few fell off. That's okay. When you're eating it, you're going to use that third slice of bread on each half. So you're going to need another slice of bread. All right, but it's going to catch all the little extras, okay? Picture, you can see there's a bottom layer. There's an actual layer from the sandwich. So that's the bottom layer that's going to catch all of the extras. All right, so this is the sandwich. I made the sandwich twice. This is the second time that I made it because I didn't like some of the pictures from the previous one. So this is the second time that I made it. But this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, or share. Every week I will be posting recipes. I may even be posting 2 or 3 per week. You just have to go ahead and make sure that you subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see y'all in the next episode.